Hello, beautiful people. Are you looking to boost the sound quality on your videos? Are you looking for something small and compact that would not take up a lot of space on your desk? Let me introduce you to this mini microphone that I purchased from Best Buy. The asking price for this microphone was $49.99. I pulled up the same microphone on Amazon to see if it was cheaper, and guess what? $10 cheaper. Every dollar counts. Best Buy does price match with Amazon as long as it's shipped and sold by Amazon. So I was able to get this microphone for $43 after taxes. So hey, that's a savings of over $10, because if you add the tax onto the $49.99, it would have been well over $50. So let's just do a quick walk around of the packaging. As you can see, it is the ultra compact condenser microphone, and it is professional recording quality. All right, and then on the back side, clarity made compact. It's giving you more information about it. This is USB powered and operated, and yeah, we'll get into it and get into the plug and play with USB for easy integration with your setup. All right, so let's open this up and let's get into it. All right, inside, when we open up the box, we are greeted with some material, some reading material, more about our microphone. Microphone itself, the base of the microphone, and the USB, as well as another part of the microphone. And that is it. That is all in the box. All right, so get the microphone to stand, USB, and some reading material. Oh, I like how they packaged this up. It's nice. Oh wow, that looks good. It's very light. It's very light. Let me look and see if it say how many ounces. But this is very, very, very light. Very lightweight. I don't see it on the box, but very lightweight. Into this part. It's part of the stand. Uh-oh. So let's screw this in here. Screw it on here. Screws in. It's perfect. You can sit it on your desk. You can do your videos. It's not in the way. It's not too bulky. Or if you have a boom arm, you put it on the arm. Have it down like this from the arm. All right. So here is the micro USB. It's right here, and we're gonna plug that in. So let me get this. And I like how this is packaged up. It's holding really well. I like that. So for now, I just take that off. And it just snaps on in. Plug this into your laptop, MacBook, or however you're gonna power it, and use it. All right, this is nice. I like it. It's really nice, easy to use, and I really, 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 really like it. All right, guys. So the next part you will see, I do a quick test of it. But it's just been a quick unboxing of this nice Razer condenser microphone, and Best Buy, $49.99. It was a lightning deal with Amazon, so like I said, I did get it for $39.99. So if you can go on Amazon to see if it's on sale, you can get it cheaper. Okay, so as you can see, the microphone is powered, and I have it hooked up to my MacBook. The green light here indicates that it does have power, and I'm gonna show you how to actually set it up. Also, inside the packaging, it came with stickers. So if you want stickers, hey, brand your laptop, iPad, MacBook, your cellular phone, whatever, brand it. All right, so here we go. We're gonna go over to system preferences. All right, and then once we come in here, we're gonna go over to sound. Okay, and then you see the Razer mini microphone is there. So once we click on that, that is going to be our actual input. And you can see I am talking. So as I talk, you'll see the input levels here. So, and then if I bring it a little closer to me, it'll be a little louder, but that is good. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys how that operates and how that works. And that's pretty much it. Just wanted to show you. Hook it up to your computer, your MacBook, whatever the case may be, and get to creating great content. This is a small, compact microphone, perfect for my desk here. And yeah, all right guys, thank you for watching. Enjoy. Go pick it up. All right, and create great things. Hit that like button, subscribe, tell a friend, and let's grow together. All right, talk to you later.